Good morning. This is my first YouTube live for San Diego City College's media performance class for Laura Castaneda. So the first thing you do when you make coffee, I'm going to make you guys a good cup of coffee for the morning. So the first thing you do when you make coffee, you want to make sure that there's water filled up. It doesn't have to be filled up all the way, but there has to be some water. Then you turn on and you press these buttons once. You let the lights flash, and when they stop flashing, you're ready to go. Then you put this white cup underneath the spout. You take one of these capsules, you open this lid, you put it right next to the spout. You close it, press either large cup of coffee or small cup of coffee. Press the button. This coffee machine was actually, you can go find these coffee machines at UTC. In La Jolla, you can find these coffee machines in Nestle coffee machine. You find these all around San Diego. They are very affordable. You can also get these capsules right here at the same stores. It's a great way to start your morning. You can have as many coffee cups as you want. If you want 15, you can have 15. Just keep making coffee, and that's about it. Thank you very much, and have a great day, everyone.